Hello students, today's topic is multi-stage graph. A multi-stage graph G equal to V comma E is a directed graph where vertices are partitioned into k stages where k greater than 1. In multi-stage graph problems, we have to find the shortest path from source to sink. This is a given graph. Here the vertices are divided into different stages. Stage 1 consists of only one vertex S. Stage 2 consists of three vertices A, B and C. Stage 3 consists of two vertices D and E. Stage 4 consists of only one vertex T. Okay, in a multi-stage graph, you have to find the shortest path from source to sink. Okay, that is from S to T in the given graph. Problem: find a minimum cost path from S to T in multi-stage graph using dynamic programming. Okay, to find the shortest path from S to T, okay, you are using the equation 1. Okay, from the vertex S, there are three outgoing edges are there. In that you have to choose the minimum. Distance of S to T equal to minimum of 1 plus d of a comma t. 1 indicates that is the path from edge weight from S to A, comma 2 plus d of b comma t. 2 indicates that is the edge weight from S to B, comma 7 plus d of c comma t. 7 indicates the edge weight from S to C. We will now compute d of a comma t, d of b comma t and d of c comma t. D of a comma t, from the vertex A there are two outgoing edges are there. In that you have to choose the minimum. Minimum of 3 plus d of d comma t, comma 6 plus d of e comma t. From the vertex B there are two outgoing edges are there. In that you have to choose the minimum. D of b comma t equal to minimum of 4 plus d of d comma t, comma 10 plus d of e comma t. From the vertex C there are two outgoing edges are there. Okay, d of ct equal to minimum of 3 plus d of e comma t, comma 10. Okay, I am calling that as the equation 4. In the equation 4, 3 plus d of e comma t indicates the edge weight from C to E is 3, and you have to find out the edge weight of distance from d of e comma t. And second one 10 indicates there is a direct edge from C to D. Okay, that's why I written it as a 10. Next compute d of d comma t and d of e comma t. D of d comma t equal to 8. There is a direct edge from vertex D to T, so the value is 8. D of e comma t equal to 2. There is a direct edge from E to T and its weight is 2. Substitute these values in equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. Equation 2 is d of a comma t equal to minimum of 3 plus d of d comma t, comma 6 plus d of e comma t. Substitute the values in equation 2. We got d of a comma t equal to minimum of 3 plus 8, comma 6 plus 2. After summation of this one, we got minimum of 11 comma 8. Okay, in the 11 and 8 minimum value is 8, so the distance of A to T is 8 and the path is A to E, E to T. A to E edge weight is 6 and E to T edge weight is 2. Equation 3, d of b comma t equal to minimum of 4 plus d of d comma t, comma 10 plus d of e comma t. Substitute the values in equation 3. Okay, d of b comma t equal to minimum of 4 plus 8, comma 10 plus 2. Minimum of 12, comma 12. Now both the values are same. Okay, I am considering the value d of b comma t equal to 12 and the path is, okay, here I consider the path is b to d, d to t, that is b to d 4 and d to t 8. or else you can consider the path B to E, E to T, both are same. Equation 4, d of c comma t equal to minimum of 3 plus d of e comma t comma 10. Substitute d of e comma t equal to in equation 4. d of c comma t equal to minimum of 3 plus 2 comma 10. That is equal to minimum of 5 comma 10. Okay, in 5 and 10 the minimum value is 5. d of c comma t equal to 5 and the path is c to e, e to t. c to e value is 3 and e to t value is 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, now you got the value of d of a comma t equal to 8, d of b comma t equal to 12 and d of c comma t equal to 5. Substitute these values in equation 1. Equation 1 is d of s comma t equal to minimum of 1 plus d of a comma t, comma 2 plus d of b comma t, comma 7 plus d of c comma t. Substitute the values in equation 1. Okay, we got d of s comma t equal to minimum of 1 plus 8, comma 2 plus 12, comma 7 plus 5. That is equal to minimum of 9, comma 14, comma 12. Okay, in this minimum value is 9. d of s comma t equal to 9. Minimum cost path from s to t is 9 units and the path is s to a to e, e to t. s to a 1 unit, a to e 6 units, e to t 2 units. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9 units. Practice question 1. Find a minimum cost path from S to T in multi-stage graph using dynamic programming. Students, solve this problem and submit your answer in Google Classroom. Practice question 2. Find a minimum cost path from 1 to 9 in multi-stage graph using dynamic programming. Students, solve this problem and submit your answer in Google Classroom. Thank you. Students, if you understand the concept, then like and share the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the update videos. Thank you.